You've barely got any time. A short period to go from zero to hero, from nothing to something that could literally change your career. Welcome to Hackathon Season 2025, and today I'm going to show you the 10 APIs that will separate winners from losers. See, here's the thing about hackathons. Judges don't care about your beautiful code. They care about one thing. Does it work? And the fastest way to build something that works is to stop reinventing the wheel. Why would you spend 12 hours building authentication from scratch when you could integrate an API in 12 minutes? Why fake currency data when you can get real-time rates for free? The secret is simple. Winners use APIs smartly. So let's dive into the 10 APIs that will make your project absolutely dominate in 2025. First up, Numverify, a phone number verification API. This is huge for security-focused apps. The number verification API tells you if a phone number is valid, what carrier it uses, even if it's a VoIP line. Super useful for preventing fraud, doing user authentication, or failed SMS deliveries. The free tier covers 232 countries, so unless you're serving aliens, you're good. Next up, Fixer API for currency conversion. Look, if your app handles any kind of pricing or international users, you need this. Instead of hard-coding exchange rates like some kind of caveman, Fixer gives you real-time rates for 170-plus currencies. Teams lose hackathons all the time because their currency conversion is completely broken. Don't be those guys. The free tier gives you 100 requests per month, more than enough for demos. Oh, and judges absolutely love weather-related features. Weatherstack API makes adding weather to your app stupidly easy. Current weather, forecasts, historical data, it's all there. Picture this. A team builds a simple what to wear today app that just combines weather data with some basic logic. Sometimes simple ideas executed well beat complex ones that don't work. Crypto bros, this one's for you. Coinlayer API gives you real-time cryptocurrency rates for 385 plus coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, whatever you need. The crypto space is hot right now, and judges notice when you're using real live data instead of hard-coded prices from 2021. Free tier gives you 100 requests monthly. Honestly perfect for a hackathon demo. Here's something unique. Screenshot layer. This API takes any URL and gives you a perfect screenshot. Sounds boring? Teams could use this to build website monitoring tools, automated testing suites, even meme generators. Imagine building a company website evolution tracker that's basically just this API plus some clever front-end work. Judges would eat that up because it solves a real problem they all have. PDFs, everyone hates them, everyone needs them. PDFlayer converts HTML to PDF instantly. No more spending hours trying to get Puppeteer to work properly. Picture this, a team struggling for 6 hours just to generate a simple invoice PDF. Don't be them. This API does it in one request. Do you need to geolocate your users and only have like 48 hours to build something amazing? And you're not going to waste time figuring out where your users are located. IPstack is going to save your life. Just give it an IP address and boom. You get the user's location, time zone, even their ISP. Perfect for auto-detecting user preferences or blocking suspicious logins. Imagine building a localized news app where everything just works without asking users to manually enter their location. Judges would love that because everything just works. It's free, works globally, and you can have it integrated in like 5 minutes. SERP Stack API. Okay, this one's kind of cheating because scraping Google results is normally a pain. But with this API, you can integrate Google search right into your app. Teams could build custom search engines, SEO tools, even content discovery platforms. Judges would be impressed because, let's be honest, most of us have no idea how to scrape Google properly. Travel apps always do well at hackathons, and Aviationstack is perfect for that. Real-time flight data, airport information, even aircraft details. You could build a flight delay prediction app that actually works. The free tier gives you enough data to make impressive demos. Last but not least, Mediastack for news data. Getting real-time news from thousands of sources is normally expensive, but the free tier gives you 500 requests monthly. Perfect for building news aggregators, sentiment analysis tools, or content discovery apps. Teams could combine this with AI to create personalized news feeds that actually impress the judges. But here's the real secret. It's not just about which APIs you use, it's about how you combine them. The best hackathon projects take 3 to 4 APIs and use them together in creative ways, like combining IPstack plus Weatherstack plus Fixer to build a smart travel expense tracker that automatically adjusts for local weather and currency. Remember, judges see hundreds of projects. They want to see something that works, uses real data, and could actually scale. These APIs give you professional-grade features without the professional-grade development time. Quick tip, always test your APIs before the hackathon. Nothing's worse than finding out your API key is broken during your presentation. Also, read the rate limits. Teams get rate limited during demos all the time because they didn't check. It's embarrassing. Don't forget to document your API usage in your README. Judges love seeing technical details about how you integrated everything. One more thing, these APIs all have generous free tiers, but some require credit cards for higher limits. If you're planning to stress test your app during the hackathon, maybe upgrade to a paid tier. It's worth it to avoid hitting limits during your demo. All right, that's it. Go build something awesome. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments which API you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.